Hey guys, it's the girl kinkyamiee. Welcome back to my channel. You already know the channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So today it's a collaboration video and with someone special, like a friend, both on social media in the same town and all that. So she's going to be telling you guys about herself. So
Hi, my name is Noye and the name of my channel is Natural Black Girlie. So today I'm with kinkyamiee, aka Amy. So we bring you guys some wonderful tips on your natural hair.
Yeah, so on today's video we'll be talking about hair care tip on winter season. Yeah, and for those of you in Nigeria, harmattan, you already know the weather is already changing and it's all cold and dusty, so we're going to be giving you guys amazing tips on how to take care of your hair during this season. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll be leaving the link down below in the description box, and make sure you check out our videos. They are amazing. Okay, make sure you subscribe, very important. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So tip number one, we are going to be giving you guys the do's and don'ts of the winter season, what to do to your hair and what not to do, so your hair keeps being healthy and keeps growing
and so moisturized as because winter dries the hair out.
It's very important. So the first tip I'll be giving you guys is moisturizing your hair. Very important. Now moisturizing includes deep condition treatments. Like, you have to do it. If you wash your hair every week, you have to deep condition every week. It's very important. Like, you have to do that, and then you moisturize every other day. Like most of you moisturize twice a week or once a week, but no, this season you have to moisturize more often because your hair tends to dry more often. So usually because I have low porosity hair, my hair is prone to dryness, like often dry. So I moisturize like 3 to 4 times in a week. Very important. What about you? How often do you moisturize?
I moisturize every other day. That means every 2 days I moisturize my hair. Every 2 days I moisturize it. Yeah, so that's how I do.
Because
I'm also low porosity as well.
Okay,
I know low porosity. I want to give you guys a tip for low porosity too. When you want to moisturize your hair every other day, like, use warm water. The water you spray, like your liquid, should be like a warm water because your hair low porosity like absorbs warm water more than just cold water.
Yeah, very important. Make sure you use warm water.
Tip number 2 is moisturizing your scalp. And when I talk about moisturizing your scalp, I'm talking about just spraying water on your scalp. Most of us, when we try to moisturize our hair, we skip the scalp. We just spray the water on the whole length of hair and forget about the scalp. And then your scalp is going to be dry if you do that. But moisturizing your scalp includes like spraying water on your scalp, but not too much, just a little bit, so your scalp can get like water, and then following up with your favorite oil so you can keep your scalp moisturized. The weather is very flaky. Oh my god, the weather is very dry, and if you don't moisturize your scalp is going to get dry and flaky and itchy, and that is how dandruff comes. And also, when you are moisturizing your scalp, don't forget to massage it after adding the oil to it, so that you can promote new hair growth and then chase away dandruff, because massaging the hair takes away itchy scalp and dandruff.
Yeah, very important. You can use a leave-in conditioner if you have, not just water. So those of you that cannot afford to get leave-in conditioner, water is the ultimate. You can use the ultimate. Yeah, but if you have a leave-in conditioner, you can also use it. Don't forget ACV cleansing. Like,
ACV cleans, like when you don't want to wash your hair, or you don't, and your hair is already flaked up, because the flaking is going to be there. You can use your ACV to like cleanse your scalp. It's very soft and subtle to the scalp. It's not going to dry your hair out, and then you follow up with your oil of choice.
Yeah, very important. So tip number 3, guys, pre-poo. Pre-poo is very important. Now, on your wash days, you have to pre-poo. If you don't pre-poo like often on all your wash day, this season is the time where you have to pre-poo all the time. All of your wash day you have to pre-poo, because it's very important. If you don't, the shampoo will dry up your hair. It will strip out the oil from your scalp. So make sure you pre-poo your hair. It's very important so you don't have to end up making your hair dry up.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And you know, dry hair is very prone to breakage. And when your hair is breaking, sis, you're not gonna retain any length at all. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's right here. So the fourth tip we have for you guys today is protecting your hair. And you can see that Amy is wearing her chunky twist,
yeah,
and I'm wearing my braids.
Yeah,
So
very
we are trying
important.
to be good examples of this particular tips that we're giving you right now. Protect your hair. And when we're talking about PS, that's protective styles, we're talking about long-term protective styles. If you think you can't manage braids or twists, natural ones like we are doing, get ones with extensions.
Yeah.
Get ones with kinky extensions, so you can protect your ends. And if you are carrying anything natural twist or braid, make sure you protect your ends by tucking them away. For the purpose of this video, we just want to show off some beautiful styled hair. But after this video, my hair is going straight to a satin scarf or bonnet, or I'm tucking my ends away when I'm going out. Also, I use scarf when I'm going to stay out for a very long time. I use scarf to just cover my hair and lay my edges. Nobody knows what's going on. It looks stylish, like those African prints. African prints head wraps that are so fine.
Yeah.
That's what I do to protect my hair. So you guys should try it out to protect your hair during this winter. It's definitely going to make the moisturizing, like the hair that you already moisturized, to like retain more moisture for you, so you can avoid breakage.
Yeah, very important. Protect your hair with your satin scarf and your protective style. Very important.
The last must do for this winter is sealing your hair. You know, it's not just about putting water or leave-in conditioner or whatever you use to moisturize your hair into your hair. It's also about what you are using to seal in that moisture that you're giving to your hair. So because the weather is very dry, you have to use a thicker sealing.
Yeah.
So thick sealants. I meant
Yeah.
sealants before. Thick sealants like shea butter,
Like
mango butter,
castor
oil. That's what you're supposed to use.
Mhm.
I know that low porosity hair does not like castor oil because it's thick, but this moment,
we need
this
to
season,
use it. Yeah, it's
you
very
can
important.
use it, and it's very good for your hair. So your hair so you can seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner, from the water, from from the gel, whatever you're using on your hair to moisturize it. So you can seal it in. You should definitely try that.
Yeah, and coconut oil. I know some of you love coconut oil. Coconut oil most times. Okay, is in the other one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I forgot. I know.
Okay.
So we have ended this one now. I'm going to edit this thing out.
Okay, let me just say, let's go over to the don'ts.
Okay, wait, let me stop this.
We are done with the do's. Now let's move over to the don'ts. Don't ever, if you want your hair to still look healthy, don't ever. I'm not trying to scare you guys. I'm just trying to.
Don't mind her. She's not scary. Okay, don't mind her. She's not scary. All right, guys. The don'ts of your winter care season. All right, you want to take my drink? That's my drink.
I want to keep it away from the
No,
camera so it doesn't show. Like,
doesn't show. Like seriously.
Like, I don't know if it's getting it.
You know.
How can I take the drink I offered her? I'm not that horrible. I'm a good girl. I'm a good. Well, it's not guest. A good host.
Yeah.
I'm a very good host. So don't mind her. I'm just trying to take it away from the camera.
So the first tip I'm going to give you guys for the don'ts, what you shouldn't be doing in this winter season, very, very important. Don't use coconut oil. I know a lot of you use coconut oil, like you love it. It's your favorite hair oil, but most times in this season it's usually freeze up in a room temperature, right?
Yes.
So it's thickens and just cluster in your hair, okay?
And makes
so
the hair very dry.
Yeah, and dry. So it's very important that you try using castor oil, like we mentioned in the do's, okay? coconut oil is really, after the winter season you can go on and use your coconut. I love coconut oil, like it's my favorite, it's my go-to, like it's my favorite hair oil. So but I have to adjust to using another hair oil in this season because I don't want to have too much flake on my hair. So
Absolutely. Okay. Tip number 2 for don't use humectants. Humectants like honey and glycerin are those things that draw moisture. I'm teaching you science right now.
oh wow.
Listen, clean your ears. Are you hearing me? These are things that draw moisture from the atmosphere to your hair. Like, it's not just moisture. Anything that is in the atmosphere, it draws it to you. So when there's moisture in the atmosphere, it draws it to your hair. When there's no moisture, it draws it to your hair. So right now that the weather is very dry and dusty, it's going to draw dryness to your hair. So take honey away from your DIYs and glycerin from your spray bottles.
Yeah.
I know most of us put them in your spray bottle. You can
I never
replace
used the
it.
glycerin before.
People use it.
Wow.
I've tried it. I
Okay.
even have it.
Wow. That's
So I
nice.
have a mixture of glycerin and rose water. It's for the skin, but I put it in my spray bottle.
Okay.
Let me go get it. So this is it, guys. This is one I use by Boots Rose Water. Traditional skincare, glycerin and rose water. Toning and moisturizing. It's very slimy. That's why I like it. That's why I use it. But on my face is when you use it to tone your face, it's very sticky. So I was like, it has rose water and glycerin, perfect for my hair. That's why I started using it for my hair.
Wow.
So yeah,
Cool.
but I'm not using this anymore for my hair until when it's suitable for my hair. So you also check your products because most of us are not doing DIY. Most of us that don't like DIY is messy and all. They are not messy and all. We love them.
I really don't do DIYs all the time. Like I use most times when people ask me a lot of questions about DIYs, and I tend to try it, yes, so I can be able to tell them the results. Okay, this is how it works, this is how it didn't work, what happened, and all that. So like I did a video on rice water, yes, how to use rice water. So make sure you check out my video. I'll be leaving the link up there or in the description box, so you'll see a video on how I make my rice water. So okay, that's how it is.
So back to the products and back to the products and DIYs.
Yeah.
So Team Emmy that does not do DIY, make sure you check out the products that you are using on your hair to make sure it doesn't have glycerin and honey. Most of them have like all those moisturizing. Don't be too moisturizing this time around, you know. So check them out, and if they have, just take them away and replace them with another product that has moisturizing ingredients like avocado and aloe vera.
Very important. Check your ingredients. Like it's a very big mistake a lot of naturals do. Okay, so
ingredients
they don't check it at all. They just use the product.
Especially when you get like a review from your favorite influencer, you don't know if it's an honest review or not, so definitely check it out.
So tip number 3 on what not to do in this winter season. Please do not, I repeat, do not forget to sleep without a satin bonnet. Very important. This is a very big mistake that a lot of we naturals do. Like we tend to just come back from our daily activity and just fly on our bed and don't cover our hair. Like I'm guilty. Let me not lie.
I'm going to beat you. Guys, I know YouTube said no violation and whatever.
Seriously?
I'm going to beat this girl. I won't be her ass and I'm not going to show it so they don't ban our video. I'm going to beat her. It's a taboo. She's trying to talk to us about things that she's failing.
Okay, fine, sorry. I also mentioned it in my 6 natural hair mistakes that we naturals do. Okay, so please make sure you check out the videos and see other mistakes that we do. I do it, yes, but I pledge to keep up with it
and be a better natural.
Yeah, very good one, very. So please make sure you cover your hair at night. It's very important. It helps to reduce single strand knots, yes, and it helps to keep our hair moisturized at night, so our pillows don't take out all the oil and moisture from our hair. So
Then it's
make sure,
dry.
yes.
So the weather.
Yeah, so you know how the weather is. So
Yeah.
make sure you cover your hair at night so it doesn't dry up.
Okay, so next tip is to not go without protective styles.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we've talked about protective styles in the do, so I want to take it away. I want to shift a little bit and then go to low manipulative styles. So most of us like to switch up our styles, and this is not the season. This is season to invest in head wraps, head bombers, everything that is going to protect your hair. So don't do buns. Buns are not for this season. Please don't do your half up and then you go there.
Yeah.
Your hair is going to tangle, get dry, and then when you're going to detangle, oh my god. But I have a video on detangling natural hair, so easy, and the way I detangle my hair without comb, and I don't use much hair, so you can check it out. But to avoid getting to that ugly place,
Yeah.
make sure you don't do low manipulative style. Rather, if you like to switch up your hair a lot, you can do box braids, twists that you can just like keep on switching your style, switching. But when your twists or braids are new, please don't switch your style. You're going to end up losing your edges because they are delicate and
They're fragile.
At that particular point in time, they are not like, you don't have new growth to pack the hair around with, so your hair is still there and it's going to just keep pulling from the roots because you're applying pressure, and your edges are too, they don't need pressure from you.
Yeah, that's right. So the last and the final tip is stay away from styling tools like stretcher and
Blow
blow
dryers.
dryers. What else? All of these tools you use, like yes, that brings it dries the hair. Okay, and even if you're trying to stretch your hair, make sure you do the air drying process. Okay, it's very
Do
important.
African
Threading, yeah. I
do
made a
your
video on
elastic
that too.
bands,
Yeah, it's very
elastic
important.
bands,
And all that, but stay away from styling tools like stretcher. It's very important. It will break your hair and it will make your hair dry more. Okay, so make sure you don't use them in this season at all. Maybe after the winter season you can start using them back. Okay, so off camera. Okay, this is off.
I'm still going to move my ass. I'm serious. Why won't you sleep with your 13 bonnet?
Okay, I have pledged to keep up with it. Okay. All right, guys. She's funny. Seriously, she's funny. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is the end of our video, and if this video has really been helpful to you, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, give it a big thumbs up, very important. Okay, subscribe to her channel
at Natural Black Girl.
Yes,
and subscribe to my girl kinkyamiee.
Subscribe to
baby.
yeah,
so you can grow long hair.
Yeah, you can see the hair is
hair on fleek,
seriously.
natural on fleek, so you can get like sweet compliments like us, and you can get to just sip your coke.
Yeah,
when Christmas is coming, you don't have to look for styles to wear and the rest. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Till next time, bye.